All right, we're gonna give you a tour of a king standard room in the Comfort Inn and Suites in Alexandria, Virginia West. So it's a pretty interesting room because it's got these coves, which I'll show you a little bit closer here in a second. So king bed, and let's walk this way first before we go into the restroom. Safe down there. I believe the controls for the air conditioner are on the wall. We got a desk here with a little coffee pot, coffee maker. There is power at the desk. No marijuana, smoking, or vaping, so make sure you don't do that. But there's these coves. They're like slanted in. And so from the outside of the building, I guess you'd say dormers maybe. So it's lots of extra places to put your stuff, and they're pretty big. So we have a little bench here. We've got a fridge, mini fridge with a microwave, TV. TV's not huge, but it works. So you got, drawers, storage. There's another one of these dormer window areas that you can shove stuff into if you want to store some stuff there. Got a closet with hanging space. Here's the control for the AC. This is a corner unit, room 601, so it's a little bit different than some of the other rooms, and we do have another review of another room in this hotel from a previous time. So here's the bathroom. It seems clean. I would say the hotel has no frills, but it's clean, and it is one of the more affordable options in the area. So far, I would say I recommend it. It's a pretty standard Comfort Inn, a good place to stay. If you're wanting to stay on a budget, but have a nice, clean place. There is breakfast in the morning from 6 to 9, and plenty of parking on site, free parking. So, yeah, so ask any questions you might have down in the comments, and like and subscribe as always.